Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mahdi Hassan. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about Euclid's division lemma. How many of you like numbers? Whether you like numbers or hate numbers or simply scared of it. But you will soon love it because I am going to make it easy and interesting. So we will start as a part of our discussion. We will start something called Euclid's division lemma. Now here the name is kind of confusing, right? It might sound very complicated, but it is very simple. This has got everything to do with divisibility of integer, or it is based on division. Now we will start looking at this with our favorite languages, words, variables, numbers and diagrams. This will be more comprehensive yet so easy that there will be no questions unanswered. To understand this division or this division lemma, let's take a real life example first. Let's assume that there are 7 chocolates and take 3 at a time and put them into boxes. So there will be 3 and 1 chocolate will be left out. So there will be 2 boxes and 1 chocolate will be left out. So how will you represent that at a particular scenario? Very simple. Using the basic division, which all of you know, the scenario that just I gave you can easily be represented as 7 chocolates you have, take 3 at a time. So I can write it as 7 by 3 is equals to 2 with a remainder of 1. So here 7 is called the dividend, 3 is called the divisor, 2 is called the quotient and 1 is called the remainder. It's very basic, right? Now let's look at one more example so that it's becoming very clear to you. Now look at one more scenario. Now if you change, instead of 7 chocolates, if we have 9 chocolates, and if you want to put 2 in a box, 2 per box, or 2 chocolates per box, then there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes and 1 chocolate will be still left out. So how will you write this division? As all of you know, right? It's very simple. I am not teaching you anything here. So you will take 9 as a dividend, 2 per box. So you will take 9 by 2 and you will get the answer, and the quotient as 4 and the remainder as 1. So there is another way to write this rather than writing it like this division. So we can write 9 equals to 2, which was the divisor, into 4, which was the quotient, plus 1. So that's the another, just a different way to represent the same thing, right? So the 9 can be written as 9 equals to 2 into 4 plus 1. Now in this case 9 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor and 4 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Now instead of using number, if I replace it by variables, so I can replace 9 as a, and a equals to 2, which was the divisor. I can write it by v, into 4, which was the quotient. I can write it as q, plus 1, which was the remainder. I can write it as r. Now I am trying to generalize this division so that we can write it as variables. So how will it look like? It will be a equals to b into q plus 1. So now this is the same as dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is like 5th and 6th grade level discussion, right? Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial, and as always feel free to email me mtexplains@gmail.com.